Welcome to our 2025 guide on transferring money from Venmo to FanDuel. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your transfer seamless and hassle-free. Before you start, ensure you have a verified Venmo account and a FanDuel account. It's also important to confirm that the transfer feature is available. Now, let's link your Venmo account to your FanDuel account. Here's how to do it step by step. Open the Venmo app. Navigate through the interface to find the transfer option quickly. Look for the Transfer button. To initiate the transfer, tap on the Transfer button and enter the amount you'd like to send to FanDuel. It's crucial to understand that there are limits on transfers. We'll explain how these may impact your transaction. Once your transfer is initiated, confirm it by checking for notifications and confirmations that you'll receive from both apps. Here are some best practices for ensuring smooth transfers. Double-check your details before sending and confirm the recipient account. If you encounter issues, don't worry. We'll cover some common problems users face and how you can resolve them. To recap, we've walked through the steps of linking, navigating, and transferring funds. Enjoy gaming responsibly.